Hi guys, in this step-by-step video, I'm gonna be showing you how you can like remove the Facebook pixel from Shopify. Now this is an easy tutorial. All you need to do, guys, you want to watch this video till the end so that you don't make any mistake in this process. This is very quick and easy. All you need to do, guys, you want to log into your Shopify store. Now after you log in, you just need to log into the Shopify store that you use, and after you are on the Shopify dashboard, as you can see here, you want to click on settings at the very bottom left. Now after that, you want to click on apps and sales channels. Here you will find the list of the apps that you have installed on your Shopify store. You just need to click on Facebook here in the, as you can see, and then you want to click on open sales channel. Now after, guys, you click on open sales channel, it will this is how it's going to look like. Now because I haven't set up my shop, now for you just need to click, for example, business manager. You will find here business manager, you will find Facebook page. Now you want to click first on a Facebook account and you need to deactivate it. Okay, I'm going to activate it right now, and I'm going to show you how you can deactivate it right now. It's very easy and quick. Now as you can see here, guys, you will find here business manager, Facebook account, you will find here Facebook page. You want to click on Facebook page and click on deactivate. You want to click on Facebook account and click on disconnect. I'm sorry, disconnect, it's not deactivate. You want to click on disconnect, and that's it. You want to do the exact same step on every here, like every option here, or business manager, Facebook page. You just need to click on that and then click on disconnect. Click on the business manager, click on disconnect, and that's exactly, guys, how you can remove Facebook pixel from your Shopify store. Now if you need any help, let me know in the comments. I reply to every single comment. If this video helped you, please drop a like and subscribe to the channel. See you guys in the next video.